Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2006 C5500 we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive. It's a rare truck. Duramax diesel with 196,000 miles on it. It's a southern truck with no rust. It's got a 11-foot auto crane service bed with a hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers, and a hydraulic 6,000-pound auto crane. Today is November 3rd, 2020, which means it's election day. So it's a historic day, and our people in the northern states and down in Florida need to get out and vote for Trump today. So if you're watching this, you know who to go vote for, in my opinion. If you want to keep working and using trucks like this, you better vote for Trump. So it's got two toolboxes on both sides. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and kick the PTO on. Let's see here. 196,818 on the miles. Here's your idle up switch. You can run it up even more with the cruise control. The PTO is air engaged, so this turns your air pump on and then this turns the PTO on. So you got to turn that on, let it build up for a minute or two, and then kick that on, the PTO comes on. Show you the outriggers. Got stuff like that around the truck. Nothing major, just stuff we touched up where the paint's flaked off. I just want you to know what you're getting. All right, you have to switch your flow here from your crane to your outriggers. Up. Down. Clockwise, counterclockwise, extension out, winch down, extension out, extension in, winch up. And of course it does a lot more than that. I'm just showing you the basic stuff on this thing. boom down. It goes all the way around, back around, up and down. Right. And hit auxiliary here to turn the air compressor on. Turn it back off here. Hit auxiliary again. Turn that off. Got one. Bit loose there. All right. The cylinder for the in and out on this outrigger here has just been rebuilt. We had it rebuilt when the truck come in. We tried to work the crane and outriggers and stuff, and nothing would work. So we checked the fluid, and there was no fluid in the tank. So well, it had to go somewhere. So we filled it up, left it in the shop overnight. Come back in the next morning, and there was about 10 gallons of hydraulic fluid in the floor from that outrigger there, but we got that fixed. Like I said, you can run the idle up more with your cruise control. If you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. Again, it's a 06 C5500 top kicks, what they call it. 4-wheel drive, Duramax diesel, crane, compressor, hydraulics. Really nice trucks. One owner truck out of Texas, so no rust. If you're looking at this truck and you want to have it shipped, we can ship it anywhere in the U.S. Figure somewhere around $1.50 to $1.75. Depends on where you're located, but that's a good figure to go off of. Or you're welcome to come here and drive it home. That would be up to you. Power windows. All right, thanks for watching.